Welcome. In this video, we're going to go over how to find areas using a table, and these are estimates, by the way. Areas using a table giving a particular degrees of freedom and value for the area we want, and whether we want that on the left or the right of the chi-square value. So here we're told that we want an area of 0.01 on the left. And so that means we're going to find our chi-squared value wherever we find it. And right now this is just a guess. So if we find it here, we want this area on the left to be 0.1. So actually it's probably going to be more to here. So this is what we're going to be looking for. What chi-squared value is that? So to estimate this, let's use a table. And this is the table I'm referencing. Those of you in my Canvas course will find the link in Canvas. Otherwise, I'm going to do my best to remember to put it in the video description. So here's a chi-square distribution table from a different university's website. And we have the degrees of freedom going down this way, so the rows, and then the columns are labeled with the particular area. So these are always right tail on this table. So we're going to have to do 1 minus whatever value we have here, 1 minus alpha to get, actually I shouldn't say alpha, 1 minus area to get the area we want, which is alpha. Okay, as you can see, I copy and pasted just the important particular bits we needed, the row headers here and the column headers here. And so let's go ahead and highlight degrees of freedom of 11. And now we want an area, our alpha, we want this area here. We want it to be 0.1 on the left. So we want alpha equals 1 minus some area. So 0.1 equals 1 minus some area. What is this value here then that we need to look for on the table? If you said 0.9, you are correct. So we're looking at this column right here with the 0.9. And I'm going to quickly, briefly discuss this column here. If you chose this one, you would be incorrect. You would get this critical value here of 17. And that was about here. So that would tell you that this area here is 0.1, but this is to the right of the chi-squared value, not the left. And we were asked for the value on the left. So we actually want a critical value with this exact same area on the left side, which is why we did a little bit of arithmetic here. So the chi-square value we're actually looking for is 5.578. And that is right here. All right, and again, this is me estimating what this is. Chi-squared equals 5.578. And we know that this chi-square value for 11 degrees of freedom has an area to the left of 0.01 using this table. And this is the value we were looking for here, highlighted in yellow.